What's up, guys? My name is Hamp. I'm a senior student athlete at Furman. Here's a glimpse into a day in my life. I usually start my day bright and early as I head to the DH to grab some breakfast. Furman is known for its beautiful campus, so I love getting to see Furman's renowned bell tower each time I go to the DH. After getting swiped in by Miss Robin, who is the best, I usually grab some food with some of my teammates. I then head to my class at the PAC. I'm a health sciences major, so my classes are generally in the PAC or in Plyler. My next class is organic chemistry. This is definitely my toughest class, but it's necessary for my future career in medicine. Then I go to grab some food to go from the DH before I head to the football facility to get ready to work out. I love lifting with my teammates. If you want a good workout plan, just come to Furman and ask for Andre Bernardi. He's elite. After the workout, I head to the quarterback meeting, and then we go out to practice to prepare for game day on Saturday. After practice, I head to the paddock to get some food with some friends. I end the night studying and doing some homework. And that is a day in the life of a Furman football player.